Hello everyone, so Mayu's Crafts here, and today I'm going to be showing you this hairstyle, how to make this hairstyle. It's a twisted ponytail. So here's a look of it. This is the side look and this is the front look. So the things you require to make this hairstyle are any kind of comb, one of these tools that helps you to bring the hair from underneath, a rubber band and few clips. So let's get started. So now let's see how to make this hairstyle. So the first step is that you comb through the hair to make sure that there are no knots in the hair. Then you're going to part it a little bit in the front, and then you're gonna divide it into two parts in the front like this. Now you're going to take these two parts, first comb them properly before you take them, and then start twisting it, and twist it in the angle that is going towards the back of your head like this. Now repeat the same thing on the other side. And twist the hair. Now you're gonna join these two. Take a thin rubber band and join them both together. So this itself can be a hairstyle as well. It's gonna look like a simple hairstyle. So yeah, after you join them, it should look like this. The next step is to take a bit of hair from the front. Then we're gonna keep it through this tool. I call this the loop tool. And we're gonna take it through the first strand of hair that we took from this side and pull it out like this. You can do it with your hand itself. It's not necessary that you have to use the tool. And we have to keep repeating this till we reach this part of this strand, so that it looks more full and it looks like all the hair has been rotated around it. So now we're going to repeat this all over this side and also on the other side, and now I'm going to show you the final piece now. So here's the final look. So I actually kept repeating the last step till we reach this part of the hair, which actually signifies the last part that you can take through. It actually took me 4 to 5 loops to come till there. Now some people either leave their hair like this, which is one way to wear it, or you can put it all together into one pony, which is the second way you can wear this hairstyle, like this. So thanks for watching. Come back again for more videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you then. Bye.